Why am I here? Why should you care? Welcome to Avaritz, my hub of free people. My name is Snezana, which is Snow White in English. Many people are asking how to make money online because they know this is the future. I will be documenting a lifestyle and education revolution which is not taught at school. I exist to help you with every single step to financial independence. Before we go into this video, please smash the like button and subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be the first to follow the videos, the important steps for your financial freedom. The first step is to look at who you are, meaning your energy type. Why? Because you are the business. You were born with a very unique persona. I have found the easiest way to help you find and appreciate your true self, which influences the type of career that really suits you, and that in turn will give you the best success. It will give you a fulfillment, I love doing this, I can even pay my bills with it, and more. What does that mean, you are the business? I will explain later. So please subscribe and you will find out. Me and my partners will also teach you the exact steps how to start and grow your online business predictably and consistently with at least 5,000 per month in the beginning. There are many who have followed the outlined steps and make at least $1 million per year. To my knowledge, nobody else is teaching these steps. Please hit the subscribe button, helping to spread the word, because every entrepreneur needs to hear this. Our school system's outdated. It does not teach you the path to financial freedom, nor financial independence. How to make money, how to be truly yourself, how to know who you are. Our system does not want you to know these never-changing principles of how to be yourself, how to have your own economy, how to be financially independent, nor any other principle for that matter in your life that you need to follow. That's why we are here. That's why I am here. Avaritz is here to help you. Did you know that we live in the most amazing time of opportunity? The online world is ripe for harvesting. Did you know that? One of the simplest ways to harvest is through affiliate marketing. Done right. My mission is to help you, graduates, school dropouts, parents, grandparents, to regain control of your own economy. In this short video, I've already taught you 3 principles. Number 1, why do you exist and why should anybody care? Number 2 is a hub. Number 3, your own economy. You will hear more about those principles in upcoming sessions. Me and my partners will teach you exactly how to do it. We'll teach you the principles in a way that you are able to grasp them, understand them, see them, and apply them. Think of cause and effect. That's a principle. If I cause my phone to fall, I have an effect. Principles are everywhere around us. They have been purposely hidden through the system so that you don't really see them. We will help you with this. You will be able to see them. When you understand them, they will stay with you for life. They will transform your entire life. You will feel free. You will know exactly who you are, what it is you want, and how to get it. Humans deserve freedom. They deserve to be loved in every aspect of life. I'm here to serve you. I'll be answering your questions. So please leave comments. What is your single biggest challenge you face right now in life? Please, I will go through them and I will be answering them as you will see upcoming videos. So drop me a comment below. And that's it for this session. I hope to see you soon. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's help us spread the word. Thank you so much for dropping by.